Good morning, students. Now let us continue chapter linear inequalities. The last class we have discussed the inequalities which contains both the variables on both sides of the linear inequality. Now today we will discuss question in which fractions are given in the form of linear inequalities. Let us discuss the question. Example 4 in page number 15.5. I am reading the question. Solve the following inequation. Inequation and inequality both are same. There are 4 parts. And I am doing first part I am reading 2x minus 3 by 4 plus 9 is equal greater than or equal to 3 plus 4x by 3. As usual we are doing the operation in equation. You can do here also, and until and unless you are given the question in which the denominator contains variable, you can do the same operation that we are using in equation. That means we will transfer the variable on one side and constant on right side. That implies 2x minus 3 by 4 minus 4x by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 9. That implies, by taking LCM, 3 into 2x minus 3 minus 12x by 12 greater than or equal to minus 6. Now, by solving this, you will get 6x minus 9 minus 12x by 12 greater than or equal to minus 6. That means minus 6x minus 9 by 12 greater than or equal to minus 6. Now, if you want to simplify it, you can simplify it. Otherwise, we can directly multiply with the numerator of the right side. That means you will get minus, let me check, that is minus 9, 6x minus 9, here it is 16x, sorry, 16x becomes 16x. That means minus 10x, because 4 4s are 16. That is minus 10x minus 9 greater than or equal to minus 6. That implies if you multiply this, you will get minus 10x minus 9 greater than or equal to minus 72. Now, if you transfer the variable one side and constant in other side, you get minus 10x greater than or equal to minus 72 plus 9. That implies minus 10x greater than or is equal to minus 63. That implies, as you know that I told you, if x is greater than y, then minus x is less than y. That means if you multiply any inequality by negative sign, the sign will get reversed. That means अगर x greater than y होता है तो minus x less than y होगा. अगर x less than y होता है तो minus x greater than minus y होगा. So we have to change the sign minus here, so that if you multiply both sin y by minus sign, you become 10x less than or equal to 63. This step is very important. That implies x less than or equal to 6.3. Yeah, 6.3, or you can write 63 by 10. Now the answer is not finishing here. Now it is better to draw number line. इसके बाद अगर आप number line draw करेंगे तो आपका वो concept clear हो जाएगा. In half yearly also you have done directly by just copying from RD. But until and unless you don't know the method, you will be feel difficult in class 12 in the chapter relation and function. That is why let me draw the number line. The left extreme is minus infinity, right extreme is plus infinity. X is less than or equal to 63 by 10. That means near about 6.3. This is 63 by 10. Equal to means this is also included. That means from this area can be denoted by bold line, so that you will get correct idea about that one. That implies x belongs to, and infinity will be always in open bracket. Since here it contains equal to sign, 63 by 10 is closed. That is semi-open, semi-closed. This now we are doing questions with a bit of difficulty level. Listen it carefully. Now second part is the same question. Second part is 5x. Let me check. 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x. 7x minus 3 by 5 greater than 4. First of all, let us take the LCM. That is 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3 whole upon 15 is greater than 4. Then by opening the bracket, you will get 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 whole upon 15 is greater than, the right side is x by 4. This is x by 4. This is x by 4. This is greater than, correct the question, this is greater than x by 4. That means if you solve this, you will get 25 minus 21, that is 4x minus 1 by 15 greater than x by 4. Now, if you 4x, let me check, 4x minus 5 to 10, 4x minus 1 minus 1 upon 15 greater than 4. By cross multiplication, you will get 4 into 4x minus 1 greater than 15x. That implies 16x minus 4 greater than 15x. That implies 16x minus 15x greater than 4. That is x greater than 4. X 4 से ज़्यादा. That means if you draw number line, I am always suggesting you use number line for getting clear idea about the question. X greater than 4 means 4 is included or not? No. 4 is not included because equal to sign is not there. So that you can show it by a small circle, and the remaining part you can show by bold line. Therefore, the solution is x belongs to open 4, open infinity. Infinity will be always open. Now, the remaining two parts you can do by yourself, same pattern. Now that you can do by yourself. Next question is, I am doing page number 15.7. That means fourth question, third and fourth part are homework, example 4. Now page number 15.7, let us discuss the question, example 5. I am reading the question. Solve the following equation. In this question, the previous question, the difference is, in this question, the linear inequality is given in fractional form. The previous question is not given in fractional form. Here, the variables are given in fractional form. Let us discuss the first part. First part is 1 by x minus 2 less than 0. 1 by x minus 2 less than 0. Now, you have to solve it. Very simple. 1 by x minus 2 less than 0 implies 1 is always positive. If something is less than 0, if fraction is less than 0, that is negative. Either numerator will be positive or denominator will be negative. Here 1 is always greater than 0. Then what is the next possibility? Next possibility is x minus 2 less than 0. ये आर.डी. शर्मा में नहीं दे रखा है, ये आपको समझना है. इसको बाय हार्ट स्टडी करेंगे, आपका वो कॉन्सेप्ट में आएगा. ये कॉन्सेप्ट आगे बहुत काम आने वाला है. So, if something fraction is given in less than 0, either numerator will be positive or denominator will be positive. Here already numerator is positive, that is why we are taking denominator positive. Sorry, negative. That implies x less than 2. X less than 2 means minus infinity, 2 plus infinity. Less than 2, 2 is not included. That implies x belongs to open minus infinity, 2. Next question is, this type of question is very important. Second part is both in numerator and denominator there is variable x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 greater than or equal to 1. Then in this type of question, student used to multiply the denominator of the LHS by numerator of RHS. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में बच्चे कॉमन मिस्टेक जो करते हैं, सीधे डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ये गलत है. जब तक आप फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में जो भी आपको फंक्शन दे रखा है उसमें डिनोमिनेटर में वेरिएबल होता है, तो सबसे पहले आप राइट साइड का कांस्टेंट को लेफ्ट में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. उसके बाद देखेंगे ग्रेटर देन 0, तो ग्रेटर देन 0 या लेस देन 0 का कंडीशन आएगा, उसमें से आपको पता करना है कि कौन सा फॉर्म लगाना है. तो डोंट डू डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इफ यू डू डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, द आंसर विल बी कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. That means x plus, in this case means the denominator contains the variable x plus 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. By taking LCM you will get x plus 1 minus x minus 2 upon x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now if you solve this, you will get, these are getting cancelled, minus 1 by x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. That means here see, The numerator is, if a fraction is negative, either both the numerator and denominator will be negative or positive. Here denominator is already given as less than 0. So what is the possibility here? हाँ, numerator already less than 0 दे रखा है, तो possibility क्या है? Denominator greater than 0. Equal to 0 नहीं लिखना, ये भी बच्चे confusion में आ जाते हैं. अगर denominator में equal to 0 लिखेंगे वो तो not defined function होगा. तो only the possibility is x plus 2 greater than 0, not equal to 0. We listen very carefully. Minus 1 is less than or greater than or equal to 0. अगर आप इसको 1 minute, first of all it is better to convert this minus sign, then you get 1 by x plus 2. माइनस साइन को हमेशा प्लस में चेंज कर लेना, तो इनइक्वालिटी रिवर्स हो गया. दैट मीन्स न्यूमरेटर पॉजिटिव तो डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. 1 ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0, तो पॉजिटिव अपॉन नेगेटिव इज नेगेटिव, दैट इज x plus 2 लेस देन 0. दैट मीन्स x लेस देन 2 माइनस 2. नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करना चाहे तो ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट इट माइनस इंटू माइनस 2. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में हमेशा ध्यान रखना है, जब भी डिनोमिनेटर में फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू आएगा वेरिएबल में, आपको राइट साइड को लेफ्ट साइड में ला करके 0 को इक्वेट करके फिर आपको देखना है किस तरह की इनइक्वालिटी लेना है. जब भी नेगेटिव साइन आएगा सबसे पहले उसको पॉजिटिव में चेंज करना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस. One more question, that is example 6, page number 15.8, same pattern of question, example 6. I will do one part, I am doing one for second part, you can do first part as homework. This is example 6, first part as homework. I am reading second part, x minus 2 by x plus 5 greater than 2. Now बताइए बच्चों, इसमें क्या करेंगे आप? इसमें आप सबसे पहले राइट साइड को लेफ्ट में लाएंगे. व्हाई? बिकॉज इन डिनोमिनेटर द वेरिएबल फंक्शन इज कमिंग. Until and unless the denominator does not contain variable, you can't do cross multiplication. कभी cross multiplication नहीं करना, आपका आंसर 110% गलत हो जाएगा. Now first of all, shift the right side to left side, you get x minus 2 upon x plus 5 minus 2 greater than 0. By taking LCM, x minus 2 minus 2x minus 10 upon x plus 5 greater than 0. Now if you solve this, you will get minus x minus 12 upon x plus 5 greater than 0. That implies minus of x plus 12 upon x plus 5 greater than 0. If you multiply, in order to change the minus sign, you have to multiply both by minus sign. If you multiply inequality by minus sign, you will get reverse. That implies x plus 12 upon x plus 5 less than 0. Now after that, don't do this directly. अब इसको इसकी डायरेक्ट बच्चे इसको आर डी शर्मा से एज इट इज कॉपी करते, ये नहीं करेंगे, हम केसेस करेंगे. दैट आई हैड एक्सप्लेन व्हेन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड domain of a function as well as range. Now case 1, less than 0 means what? It is less than 0 means both are negative. Sorry, the value is negative. Either numerator will be negative or denominator will be positive. First of all, take the case of numerator positive लेते हैं, denominator को negative लेते हैं. एक केस ये लेंगे. Next second केस क्या लेंगे? Second केस में positive upon negative, negative. Again, x plus 12 less than 0 and x plus 5 greater than 0. From this, in which case the common regions coming, we will take that is the solution. That implies x plus 12 equal to greater than 0 implies x greater than minus 12 and x plus 5 greater than 0 means x less than minus 5. If you draw number line minus infinity, minus 12, minus 5 plus infinity, see x less than minus infinity. That is x greater than minus 12, x less than minus 5 means 12 minus 12 से ज्यादा minus 5 से कम. That is, this is the common region. In the case 1, you can conclude that if you do in this way, you will not get any confusion. By case 1, x belongs to open minus 12 to minus infinity. This is the first case. And what will be the second case? Let us take the second case. Second case is, let me check the question once more. -12 to -15। अब केस 2 भी देख करके हम देखेंगे, इसमें से भी कुछ कॉमन रीजन आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है। कॉमन रीजन आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स यू कैन कंक्लूड नो कॉमन रीजन। x plus 12 less than 0 means x less than -12, x plus 5 greater than 0 means x greater than -5। here this x greater than -12 and x less than this आ गया, and that means x -12 से ज्यादा है, -5 से कम है। अब x less than -12 means this is -12, this is -5, this is plus /। -12 से कम मीन्स इधर जाएगा, -5 से ज्यादा मीन्स इधर जाएगा, तो नो कॉमन रीजन। तो कौन सा केस हमारा रिजल्ट दे रहा है? केस 1। So you can write this as no common region. In this way, if you solve the questions, you will not lose even fractions of marks. Okay. Now let us do next question. Next question is example 7. Example 7, page number 15.9. Whatever the homework I am giving you, you do it consistently. Otherwise, you will feel that there's a gap between the consecutive classes. You can't understand anything. That is, first there are two parts. I am doing first part. First part is 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4 upon x minus 1 greater than or equal to 5. Now, क्या करना है पहले? Cross multiply करना? No. Why? Because denominator करना in fractional form and variable. As usual, we have to transfer right side to left side, that is greater than or equal to 0. That means 2x plus 4 minus 5x plus 5 upon x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. That is minus 3x plus 9 upon x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now इधर वैल्यू कांस्टेंट का साइन माइनस होता है, तो मैंने आपको कहा माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करके प्लस करेंगे, दैट मीन्स माइनस ऑफ दिस बिकम्स 3x minus 9, denominator will not be changed, less than or equal to 0 because we have multiplied by less than sign. Now what you have to do? You have to take the cases. Case 1. Case 1, both are less than 0 means either numerator is positive and denominator don't write as equal to y. अगर आप डिनोमिनेटर में इक्वल टू लिखेंगे वो इन्फिनिटी हो जाएगा। तो फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में जब भी वेरिएबल आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में कभी भी इक्वल टू 0 नहीं लिखना है। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। दैट इंप्लाइज 3x greater than or equal to 9 or x less than 1 implies x greater than or equal to 3 or x less than 1. If you draw number line again, minus infinity, 1, 3, infinity. X greater than or equal to 3, that is this region is coming. X less than 1 means this region is coming, that is no common region. Now what do you have to do? You have to take the second case. Second case में क्या लेना है? Either numerator is positive or denominator is positive. We will take numerator is less than or equal to 0, denominator is greater than not equal to 0. That implies 3x less than 9 or x greater than 1 implies x less than 3 or x greater than 1. They see again number line minus infinity, 1, 3, infinity. See x less than 3, that is in this direction, x greater than 1 in this direction, but 3 and 1 are not including, so that you have to show them by a small circle. That means you have to use open bracket, that is x belongs to 1, 3, open 1, 3. In this way you can solve. This is equal to 0, this is equal to, that means equal to आ रहा है, तो x belongs to open 1 close to 3. Next question. In this way you can do the second part also. Next question is how we can solve system of linear equation. System means pair of linear equation. How we can solve system of linear equations in one variable. System of, let me rub it, solving system of linear equations, system of linear inequations या inequalities in one variable. In one variable, that means what? You will be given more than one inequation. You have to solve it simultaneously. Now let us take the question. First of all, let us start from simple one, and I am doing example 1, page number 15.11. Before this, there is an exercise 15.1. I suggest you do all these questions until and unless you will not solve unsolved questions, you will not get any confidence. That is why I am telling you, because this chapter is very important for class 12th also. An example 1 that I am taking is simple one. That is, you are given two equations, 3x minus 6 less than or equal to 0. Sorry, greater than or equal to 0. That is the first equation. Second one is 4x minus 10 less than or equal to 6. You have to solve it simultaneously. By solving this, 3x greater than or equal to 6, comma 4x greater than or less than or equal to 16. That implies x greater than or equal to 2, comma x less than or equal to 4. That implies, again डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. अगर आप नंबर लाइन दिखाना चाहते हो तो बेटर रहेगा. x greater than or equal to means 2 is included. X less than or equal to 4 means 4 is included. This is the region. That is, x belongs to close to 4 because equal to sign is coming. Next question is one minute. X greater than or equal to 2 से ज्यादा. Let me check the questions once more. 4x minus 10 less than or equal to 6, that is x greater than or equal to 2. Second one is x less than or equal to 4. 4 से कम and 2 से ज्यादा. Then common region is minus RD. It is given in complicated form. We will do it directly. RD में इसका नंबर लेना है, अलग बनाया, इसका बनाया, फिर कॉमन लिया. ऐसे लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट आप कर सकते हैं. Next question is example 2. This question is a little bit complicated. Page number 15.12. I am reading the question. Solve the following system of inequations. First inequation is 5x by 4 plus 3x by 8 is greater than 39 by 8. First equation is this one. Second one is 2x minus 1 by 12 minus x minus 1 by 3 less than 3x plus 1 by 4. Now you can solve. Let us start from first one. By taking LCM, you will get 8, for example, 40x plus 12x by. Otherwise, if you take LCM, it is better not so that it will get cancelled. 8, that is 10x plus 3x greater than 39 by 8. Both 8 are getting cancelled. First of all, let us solve first inequality. That is 13x greater than 39 implies x greater than 39 by 13, that is 3. That is first equation. Solution of this one is first x greater than 3. Now second one is 2x minus 1 upon 12 minus x minus 1 upon 3 less than 3x plus 1 by 4 implies, by taking LCM, 2x minus 1 minus 4x plus 4 less than 3x plus 1 by 4. Now if you solve this, you will get minus 2x plus 3 upon 12 less than 3x plus 1 by 4. Then 4 और 12 are getting cancelled. एक एक साइन का बहुत ध्यान से करना है. That means if you solve this, you will get minus 2x plus 3 less than 9x plus 3, that is minus 11x less than 0. By, in order to change in positive, you can multiply by minus sign, that becomes greater than, that is x greater than 0. One case x less than 3 and other case is x less than greater than 0. If you draw number line, what will you get? This is again left extreme minus infinity and the number here coming is 3 and infinity. X greater than 0, this is 0. X greater than 0, x greater than 3. Now x greater than 0 you are getting one value and x greater than 3 you are getting another value. इफ यू सॉल्व दीज टू इक्वेशन, यहां से यहां तक एक्स 0 में आ रहा है, यहां से यहां तक 3 to infinity में आ रहा है, तो कॉमन रीजन क्या आ रहा है 3 to infinity. That means x greater than 0, x less greater than 3 implies x belongs to open 3 to infinity. तो इस तरह जब भी आपको फ्रैक्शनल में फॉर्म में फंक्शन इनइक्वालिटी दिया हो जहां डिनोमिनेटर है तो आप उसको पहले सॉल्व करके फिर डिनोमिनेटर कांस्टेंट है तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वेरिएबल तो लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एग्जांपल 3, पेज नंबर 15.13. 15.13. I am reading the question. First equation is 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. That is first inequality. Second is 2x minus 3 by 4 plus 6 greater than or equal to 2 plus 4x by 3. First of all, let us solve first inequality. By opening the bracket, you will get 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6x minus 12. That means 4x minus 6x less than minus 12 minus 4, that is minus 12 plus 4, that is minus 2x less than minus 8. Let me check the values. That implies 2x greater than 8 in order to make positive implies x greater than 4. That is x belongs to 4 to infinity. Both are open. Now second one is by taking LCM you will get this is second inequality. 2x minus 3 plus 24 by 4 greater than or equal to 6 plus 4x by 3. That is 2x plus 21 upon 4 greater than or equal to 6 plus 4x by 3. Now by cross multiplication you will get, by cross multiplication let me check the terms, 2x minus 1 minus x minus 1, let me check the terms, 2x minus 1 minus x minus 1 less than or equal, sorry, second equation is 2x minus 3 by 4 plus 6 greater than or equal to 2 plus 4x by 3. Now if you solve this you will get 2x plus 21 upon 4 greater than or equal to 4x plus 6 upon 3. By cross multiplication you will get 6x plus 63 greater than or equal to 16x plus 24. 6x plus 63 greater than or equal to 16x plus 24. By transferring the variable 6x minus 16x greater than or equal to 24 minus 63 implies minus 10x greater than or equal to minus 39. That is not to make it positive. 10x greater than or equal to 39 implies x greater than or equal to 39 by 10. That means x belongs to 3.9 infinity. Here x belongs to 4 to infinity. Here x belongs to x is sorry, by changing the sign you will become less than or equal to, ये less हो जाएगा, greater में हमने minus sign से multiply किया, that means minus infinity to 3.9. that means your solution is, इसमें आपको वो बनाना ही ठीक रहेगा. सबसे पहले आप नंबर लाइन बना लेते हैं, माइनस इन्फिनिटी प्लस इन्फिनिटी, वैल्यूज आ रहा है, एक आ रहा है 3.9 देन 4. फर्स्ट कंडीशन में x ग्रेटर देन 4 मींस दिस रीजन इज कमिंग. ये x लेस देन 3.9 दिस रीजन इज कमिंग. नो कॉमन रीजन, ये लिखना बहुत जरूरी है, ये दिखा करके, नो कॉमन रीजन. देयरफॉर द सॉल्यूशन सेट इज, तो लास्ट में आप क्या कंक्लूजन करेंगे, इसमें कोई कॉमन रीजन नहीं आता है. द सॉल्यूशन सेट क्या होगा, सॉल्यूशन सेट इज null set. So the system of equation has no solution. System has no solution या null set. No solution या null set. In this way, इस तरह, इसलिए मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, जब भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है आप नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एग्जाम्पल 3 we have done. Now 2 more questions are remaining. and I'm giving example 4 as homework. You can do this very simple. 5 also you can do. 6 question we will discuss tomorrow. After that we will go for modulus function, and you just go through the types of function that we have discussed in chapter 2. I hope that you understood today's class. If you have any queries, you can ask me. See you again. Thank you.